Everyone wants to succeed in life, but many of us struggle to find the real key to making it happen. In today's story, you'll discover that no matter how big you dream, there are two essential ingredients you simply can't do without. Stay with us until the end. It might just change the way you see your journey. In a quiet village nestled beside a flowing river, there lived a wise elder named Samir. Each morning, he would sit by the water and softly repeat the same phrase. You will receive what you truly seek. You will receive what you truly seek. Most people who passed by, he was strange. They'd shake their heads and hurry on, never stopping to listen. One sunny morning, a young man named Arjun was walking by when he overheard the elder's words. Intrigued, he approached Samir and asked, "Respected elder, do you truly believe we can have whatever we desire? If that's so, can you help me get what I want?" Samir smiled warmly. "Yes, my son, I can. But there is one condition. You must believe what I say and act on it. First, tell me, what is it your heart longs for?" Without hesitation, Arjun replied, "I want to build great wealth. I dream of becoming a renowned trader of diamonds and pearls." Samir's eyes lit up. "A worthy vision," he said, "and it shall be yours. I will give you the very gems that can multiply into endless riches." Then Samir placed his hand gently onto Arjun's right palm. "Here," he said, "I give you the world's most precious diamond time. Guard it closely, for it is the source of all you will create. Use it well, and from it, countless opportunities will grow." Arjun listened intently, feeling the weight of the words more than any stone. Then Samir placed his other hand on Arjun's left palm. "And now," he continued, "I give you the second most valuable treasure, patience. When effort does not bring quick reward, when the road feels long and difficult, let this pearl remind you, those who endure, achieve." Arjun understood then what so many had overlooked. These weren't just ideas. They were life's ultimate treasures. He made a quiet promise to himself. From that day forward, he would treat every moment as sacred and meet every challenge with calm persistence. Arjun began working for a respected gem merchant. He didn't waste a single hour. He learned, he practiced, he failed, and he tried again, always with patience as his guide. Years passed, and through dedicated effort and unwavering perseverance, Arjun became one of the most successful gem traders in the land. When we look at our own lives, we often see dreams left unfulfilled, not because we aren't capable, but because we misuse our time or give up too soon. Time and patience are not just helpful traits. They are the very foundation of lasting success. So remember, value your time, nurture your patience. In difficulty, do not despair. There is no force more powerful than time, and no quality more valuable than patience. When we truly grasp the worth of each moment and pair it with the courage to wait and persist, nothing is beyond our reach. Carry these two precious gems within you, time and patience, and you will surely achieve what you seek. If this story inspired you, please like and share it with someone who needs to hear this message. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more uplifting stories. Until next time, stay patient, stay grateful, and keep moving forward.